MAM Pacifiers, Baby Pacifier 6+ months. Best Pacifier by MAM is one of the best sellers among baby pacifiers products. Silicone. Imported. Calms and soothes baby 6+ months. The manufacturer's MAM Pacifier nipple is designed by parents and medical experts to feel like mother's breast to relax babies 6 months and older. Easy cleaning and carrying. MAM Pacifiers sterilize in the microwave in the case they come within 3 minutes, perfect for travel and on the go. Case is reusable and perfect for keeping your MAM pacifiers clean. Always right side up, symmetrical nipple so pacifier can never be inserted the wrong way. Other pacifiers: Nuck Pacifier, Dr. Brown's Pacifier, Playtex Pacifier, with asymmetrical nipples need to be manually adjusted by parents to soothe baby and can negatively affect oral development when positioned incorrectly. Designed to prevent skin irritation, MAM pacifiers feature large air holes to allow air to reach baby's skin to reduce irritation. Curved shield and innovative bumps on inner shield surface prevent pacifier from laying completely flush to baby's face, keeping drool from becoming trapped against skin. Premium European materials, made in Europe from high quality, 100% baby-safe BPA and BPS-free materials. MAM pacifiers and all MAM products meet or exceed both US and European safety standards. MAM pacifiers 6+ months are ideal for babies 6 months and older and the best baby pacifier for breastfed babies. Their skin-soft nipples are perfectly sized for babies 6 months and older and are designed with parents and medical experts to closely resemble the breast for easy acceptance and a natural feel. In fact, 94% of babies accept the MAM skin-soft nipple. Both parents and babies can relax with MAM pacifiers since they are especially designed to comfort baby while promoting proper oral development. Market research 2009 to 2017 with 1,508 babies.